Connecting a 3-point implement can be frustrating, but hopefully this tutorial will make it easier. The first thing is to try to do it on flat ground. Next, lower the arms on the tractor because you can manually lift them up if needed, but you can't lower them further than the hitch control is set. Then adjust the arms outward so that they line up with the pins on the implement. On this implement, the arms go inside the slot, so you will need to remove the pins. On other implements, the arms go around the pins because they are stationary. Then back your tractor up and make sure to turn it off. You want to connect the fixed side first, which is usually the left side. Then you can adjust the adjustable side up or down as needed and install the pin. Now you can release the top link from its bracket and adjust as necessary to line up with the hole on your implement. Then install the pin. You can also adjust the tilt on your implements with the top link and then tighten the lock nut. You don't have to use that big of a wrench, but it doesn't hurt. For connecting the PTO shaft, make sure that the tractor is turned off. Then remove the cover from the PTO of the tractor if it has one. Then bring the shaft from the implement up to the PTO on the tractor. You may have to rotate it to get the grooves to line up. Once it is part of the way on, pull back on the collar and push it on the rest of the way. Pull back and forth both ways to make sure it is securely locked on. Attach safety chains on the front and the back. Refer to your owner's manual for safety guidelines and more information.